Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Snapchat Bitmoji with a selfie or camera that looks just like you. So let's dive right in. The first step is to download the Bitmoji app on your phone, available on both the iOS App Store and the Android Google Play Store. After downloading, open the Bitmoji app and click on Continue with Snapchat to link the app with Snapchat. A dialog will appear asking you to create a new Bitmoji for your account. Click on Create Bitmoji. This will take you to the Bitmoji app. Here, select your gender and take a picture. After taking a picture, you can now customize your Bitmoji more, like adding clothes, shoes, and more. Once you are done, click on Save at the top right corner of the screen. To connect Bitmoji to Snapchat, click on Agree and Connect. Now open Snapchat and go to your profile to see your created Bitmoji. And that's all. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.